my trades online just for fun, yeah. Future slowly know it's trending #1, yeah. Comets blowing up from Chicago to New York. It's happening. What's happening? I feel my heart drop. Can't make it stop. Wi-Fi connected. We're taking over. Gaga. Everybody scalping. Boom, boom, bah. Don't know when I'm scalping, baby. Honey, what's a guess of Kylie? Everybody scalping. Don't know when I'm scalping. Boom, boom. My phone won't stop. Notifications crazy. People worldwide watching me trade from Miami streets to the LA beaches. We're going viral, baby. Don't try to stop me when we're all competing. Hashtag trending, future stories streaming. Don't want no stopping, baby. I need to guess that's Kylie. Everybody scalping. Don't want no scalping. Whoa, whoa. Long trade, short trade. This ain't no pump and dump. Tag all of your friends. Let's take it worldwide. Let's put us in the zone. Future's plug connects us all. Breaking down the falls. Generated profit. So when you know you were my face. We don't need no ICT, no FVG. Calling on the scalping, baby. I think that's a kiss at Kylie. Everybody's scalping. Calling on the scalp. Calling on the scalping, baby. I think that's a kiss at Kylie. Everybody's scalping. Calling on the scalping. Start, let's go.
That was fun. Okay, let's get to the disclaimer. This live stream is for entertainment information purposes only. Do not copy our trades. We're just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream. We trade off screen. We trade after the stream. So you do not get to see the complete picture. We're not licensed professionals. We're not providing any investment advice. We do not make any claims of profitability. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we're not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Also, please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Please read and understand the rest of CFTC Rule 4.41, and let's get to the charts. Good morning. How's everyone doing this morning? I'm all set up. Am I on time? Yeah, 9:13. I'm a minute early. Let's see what happened with the GDP release at 8:30. Yeah, the unemployment data also. Okay, so looks like it was pretty choppy. Let me go down to the let me take a look at the 5-minute chart. I think I'll get a better picture, but it really looks like we did some major zigzagging here. Yeah, no, okay, it shows differently on the 15-minute than it does on the 5. On the 5, it was pretty much pretty zigzaggy. Traded lower by about 40 points, back up. and down by about 80 points and then back up. So definitely not a directional move. Some whippy action in there. I hope no one got caught chasing that. While I'm at it, let me take a look at the two screens and compare the NQ to ES on the 5-minute charts. And I would say NQ is relatively stronger based on the fact that after the news at 8:55, we traded down to the London lows. I have my London session going until 9 a.m. And we traded into the Asian session high. Got below VWAP as well. NQ didn't. NQ didn't manage to trade that low. It just got rejected off the previous day's close, which is that black dash line. Didn't even kiss VWAP. Let me put in the midnight open here at the right place. Yeah, Sparky, I hear you. And definitely didn't come down and touch the Asian session highs. So, yeah. You guys hear that? That's a cat who wants to be fed cookies for the 4th time in the morning already. So my takeaway on this is going to be stronger markets in NQ relative to the ES. I'm going to look at the 15-minute chart. You know what I always like to check. Actually, I'm going to run through maybe 3 or 4 months of data. If it gets quiet today, I'll do it later. I'm curious to see, oh, I didn't open chat. I'm curious to see how often that pattern develops, where I mentioned that if you trade through the Asian session high and then trade through the Asian session low, that we're going to revisit the Asian session high one more time during the US session. And yesterday was a perfect example of it, actually. We came in starting the morning right here, the open at 9:30. We didn't touch the Asian session low yet, but we did trade through the Asian session highs. When we broke the Asian session low, I was mentioning that there's a very high probability we do the third leg, and the third leg is the continuation back up to the Asian session highs. So it's kind of like a 1, 2, 3 tap. Think of it that way. If you tap one and then you tap the other, you're going to tap the first one. So that could be the highs, lows, then the highs, or the lows, highs, and then the lows again. And it played out yesterday. I know there was one day it didn't play out, but anyways, that's not into play today, because we're just above the Asian session highs. We're above previous day's close on NQ. We're near the London highs. We're above VWAP, so basically we're above midnight open. How far away are we trading from the yesterday's high? 409, 352, only 50 points away from making a new high. So I would guess at some point we're going to run the London highs and the previous day's high. That's I'd like to see price get above that, hold, and that certainly would be very bullish price action. Let me just check something here. Anyways, could we trade lower? Can we come down to the previous day's close? Absolutely. We can sweep the London lows, maybe even tap back into the Asian session highs. That would give a good potential long area. Oh, let me open up the chat. It's not even open. Hope I'm not missing anybody. What chip and only futures, guys? My chat wasn't even open. Sorry about that. Good morning. I'm in a long. That was at 9:17. What time is it? It was 3 minutes ago. Sorry. And need to take slow today. Yeah, no, I am trading. Good morning. Only futures trading. I am going slow today. I have a couple of new rules. One, I got a big sign in my face that says you have no more do-overs, so I'm not doing do-overs. No adding, no chasing, no FOMO. So I like to add once to my positions, but I want to see how I do without adding. And what else? First green day, let's see. Is it? Wasn't yesterday? Oh my goodness, my goodness, my goodness. I didn't check where we closed. I was certain yesterday was going to be a green day. So there's 5 red days in a row. And we are below. Oh, those are the lows that where are they from? Okay, it's this one here and this area here, marking off these lows. Yeah, we're below the 100 moving average. No kidding. We closed below it. Let's see what happens today. That's interesting. That might play on people's minds. I don't know if this is the EMA or the SMA, but I'm curious to see the two of them. Are we below both of them? I just want to see which one this is. This is the SMA. Let's put up the EMA 100 also, but anyways, if the SMA is above price, the EMA will certainly be above price because it is weighted to current price action. Yeah, we're below both of them. Okay, I'm sure some people notice that. Let me get rid of the EMA. Well, I was correct with that trend line, which again, I don't use trend lines too much, but I said if we can break that slope, break that angle, we'll probably at least consolidate, if not retrace a little bit, and I think a little bit is the right word. Wow, look at that dump. What time did that dump come at? 2:30? 12:30? 1? Yeah, if you came in at 2:30 for continuation, you missed it. So I'm going to keep up the 5-minute charts. Keep it on the 3-chart view. All of those are my best practices in trading. I'm not sure if you're being sarcastic, but they are good rules to follow. I don't know which camera angle do you have there. Let's see if I go to camera 3. Can you see it? Let me see. Yeah, that's the paper. I taped it up over there onto a monitor I'm not using. But today I'm trading very slow. My trading has been poor, and I'm not happy with it. So going back to the basics, I'm going to trade very small today. And I like to add, so no adding is going to be a difficult thing for me, but I do want to try it. I put... maybe we had a 2-bar reversal here. Yeah, we did. I put 50-50 trading on Sim 102. So we're going to track that, and opening drive is also on Sim 101. So track that as well. Guess we can track it in the results box, whatever you want to call it here, where my cursor is. See how they're doing it every now and I'll visit them. Crude, while I still have time. How did Crude do yesterday? Oh, Crude had a long trade. There you go. That's the first one for today. It entered long. Let's mark it out and see how it does. We'll track that for the day. The target on this one is 70.17, approximately. And I think I'm going to be more conservative in my... how did Crude do? This is a 1-to-1. It was a winner. This is a 1-to-1. That was a loser. And all the others I think were break evens. Just wicked. So I'm going to assume you didn't get taken out for profit. And of course, if you're going to get wicked, you're going to move your stop to break even. You're not going to let it go one tick or actually touch your take profit, not get filled, and let it go to a loser. That would just be ridiculous. So I would say within, let's say 5 cents or 3 cents, you would want to move your stop to break even. This is a short, I think. I have to make sure it's a black bar. You guys aren't even on the right charts. What am I doing? Wasting my time here. The markets are going to open in 5.5 minutes, 4.5 minutes. Okay, sorry. Crude, it's in the first trade. There's your target. That's for today. The black bars mark it off. Crude, first trade was a winner, second trade was a loser. This one was break even because it just touched take profit. So I'm guessing if you had it on take profit, you didn't get filled. This was a winner, and I think this was also a break even, this last one. So probably ended up 1 hour with 2 trades. Very disappointingly just touching. Yeah, look, it just touched your take profit. So that would have been a very aggravating, disappointing day, but you still ended up 1 hour. Wow, what are the odds of it just touching? So we'll watch Crude. 50-50 is already in a trade. 50-50 shouldn't start. I'm not running Counter-Strike today. And we'll be watching the Renkos, comme toujours. But let's start off with opening drive. Two minutes to Wapner. Okay, so really? Okay, first trade on 50-50, stopped out just to let you know. Remind myself again. Bullish bias, but we could see a draw to 249, which is about 100 points away. That should bring us into VWAP, previous day's close, into London lows. Keep that in mind, but really what I'd like to see is I'd like to see price get above the previous day's high and hold above that. And that would be a very strong bullish day, and that would make sense with the fact that we've had so many down days already. But can the buyers do it? Can the buyers come back in? Let's watch opening drive. And let me set my charts to trading my 150K account. What's going to be conservative? Conservative is 4 lots on a 150K account. Micros. No adding. Remind me, no adding. How's gold doing? We're down to 29.04. Yeah, leave it at me. I thought we'd break 3,000. Maybe it even did. I don't really check it that closely. My theory was it would break 3,000 and then get hit hard. Maybe test it 2-3 times. Okay, I'll get in for one lot on the open. Wrong direction. Too bad. Watch an open and drive. 28 seconds left. Okay, the good news is that opening drive won't get put in on the first candle. Let the market settle a little bit. Sim 102. Let's visit Sim 102. 50-50 went short. Right there. Open it up. When we had a candle closing above the 50 line, it only takes one trade to take profit. It's watching for a touch of the other side of the price channel. Since we're short, the lower line. Just to see, what did 50-50 lose on its first trade? It took a trade, I think, just to get lost 151. And now we're up 416. So the loser was 151. And since we're up 416, this winner was at 160 to 416 was 570. So $570 winner and a 161 loser. I like that. I like those odds. And that's why I said I really like 50-50. And now if we close above again, since we're watching, it shouldn't, if my coding is correct. It shouldn't enter another trade short, only one. And to continue with the rules, if we happen to close above the upper line, then it'll start looking for longs, or the first long after a close below the midline. Not too complicated. So let's go back and watch the opening drive in the meantime. I'll keep my eye on 50-50. Let you know if there's anything exciting. And I'm looking for a long trade. Actually, while we have a moment, I have nothing coming up. Let's take a look at the 5-minute charts. NQ and ES, they kind of look the same. But again, I would call NQ relatively stronger, which will make me want to take the next long trade as soon as it comes, and there it is. Let's go break the US session highs. There we go. Reduce my risk on the position, then I'll let it go. My target is 300 a day. Don't do that to me. Soyez gentil, be nice. I'm gonna have to get out at a loss. Yes, I do. Okay, well, that one didn't work out. It's too bad. We didn't run further on that. I was hoping. Opening drive, not in yet. And 50-50 is on pause. Meaning there is no trades it can take at the moment, no matter where price closes. If I coded it correctly. We're still in kind of beta mode, but I did run it overnight a few times. And it seemed to do exactly as it's supposed to, which is all good. Oh, I didn't do a sound check. I may have a little bit of time to do that, but Yes, I do. Okay. I was going to say I might be getting into a trade here. Let me just check it. A little low, no? No, I think it's a little low. Did I miss a trade? No, not yet. Bring the mic a little closer. Can I raise the volume over here? Oh, my dial was a little... There we go. This is probably better. I'm not redlining. No. Oh, volume was... There we go. Okay. Opening drive. Rare that it doesn't enter a trade within the first 5 minutes. There, now, if we can get above here, we can get along. We can get along, little doggy. Oh my God, it didn't close above. Didn't close above. Take a look at that. Let me open it up more so you can see it. And actually, let me move it away from the edge of the chart there. It's so close. Let's make that 15. You have a couple of pixels to see. This is going to be another shitty no-go trade. Where are we stopping out at on this one? 71 under 14, 61, 57, and I'm long at 68. Well, that'll be about $20. At least I'll have some. I want to get over 100 on my first trade. Oh my God, did you see what I just said? I'm not supposed to be trading the balance. Okay, opening drive is long, as you can see. You know what I'm curious about opening drive? What if I put in a fib? I'm thinking this is a good trade at the 50 line. I'm even going to take it just for a one lot. I'm going to get in one lot here. And that's below the 50. Let's see. I'm willing to do that. So here's what I did. Let's go back to this chart over here. I entered at the 50 line. Well, a little bit above. And then I entered when we went a little bit below. I added one more because I did want to do two. But because I front ran it a little bit. Opening drive does well, but it hasn't been kind to me. Interesting. 50-50 went long. As you can see from Sim 102, am I on the 50? Yeah, I'm on the 50-50 chart. So we got to close above the price channel. That means it went long. When this bar closed below the 50 line, let me put it on Sim 102 and you'll see it. There you go, you see? And you can only do one trade per direction. So after the long trade, it can't go short. It can't go long again. The target on the long trade's all the way up here at 381. But I want to put it back to my my trade here. Get ready to exit the trade if it touches the lower band. Well, that's discouraging. Okay. That's 2 bad days for opening drive. Interesting. Take a look at this. Nasdaq, which I thought was relatively stronger, breaking US session lows. ES is not. Look at it difference. So 50-50 lost on that. It was a big loser, actually. And we'll continue watching. We inverted the first fair value gap. That's another interesting trade, the inversion of the first fair value gap. Okay, we don't need to watch opening drive anymore. I'll tell you why. It only trades once a day. Let's take a look in on Crude. Crude went long. Didn't get stopped out and didn't go to target yet. Continue watching Crude. I put that up for you over here. That's the Crude trade with the marked off by the black bar. I thought I called this something cuter than Crude in sidebar. London lows. Yeah, we didn't touch them yet. At least on, I mean, not at least on NQ, there we go. But yes, still far away. I'm going to put up the 15-minute chart in a second. Take a look at what it is we're doing. I just want to see something. There we go. I was going to say my NQ was hanging. Okay, missed a couple of good trades there while I was checking on things. No adding, no chasing, no FOMO, so we're going to let this one go. But it's crazy how it does that. Took a trade off the Rinkos on that new black bar there. Let me open it up. Each bar is 30 ticks. It's a little under 8 points, so this is 816. That was almost a 20 some odd point move. Let's just check it. 212 to 189. I didn't catch all of it, but caught some of it. So looking at the 15-minute chart, we're coming here up to the midnight open, touching that now. But still, we haven't traded below Asian session lows. If we do, that gives us a trade to target Asian session highs. Somehow, some way. I think I can get all the same information off the 5-minute chart. I don't have to really refer to the 15-minute chart. can get it here off the 5-minute chart and just have it on my purview all the time. I see the midnight open, I see the Asian session box, the London session box. I can also see that ES swept London, but by just a half a point. Asia low 105. Yeah, let's see. We're trading lower again. Will it be 6 days in a row? This is the daily chart, and it says Heiken Ashi candles, but it's not. Let me fix that. Don't want to mislead you guys. So if I catch an error, I want to fix it right away, not later, because I'll forget. Okay, there we go. MNQ daily chart. Very interesting. I'm going to keep my eye on the previous day's close. Let's see if right now we went from green to red. And we just had a 2-bar reversal. I'll try the 2-bar reversal for a small 2 lot if I can get filled. There we go. My stop would be pretty far away on this, actually. Which is what I talked about yesterday. I like dipping my toes in the water with these trades, but the stops are so far away. Like, I guess an inversion of the... see, I would have added when we came to the low of the bearish fair value gap, but I said no adding today, and I'm going to follow my rules. Anyways, I'm going to get out. I don't even want to be in for a 2 lot on this. It's not my it's not my cup of tea. You know, we could trade lower and this could be another bearish day, but I'd like to see us bounce off the midnight open here. Get back up the VWAP. Wind up the markets and then give us a nice long runway again for, you know what, I think it's time to bail on this idea. Take a quick look in on 50-50. Nothing. No retrace really. We're continuing lower. Well, I was setting up my charts to enter short. It got stopped out for a full loss. Cool. Missed that one. On the Renkos here, we're going to be forming a triple bottom. I'll put it up for you guys to see. I'm shorting right at the midnight open. Let's see if we can get one more sweep lower. if I get a full loss. No, a full loss. That stinks. I don't know. I'd like to see price take out those lows. Let's go. Let's go. Let's take out those lows and then let's dump. Let's do dump number 3. Let's go, sellers. Come out. Come out of hiding. That was a nice bearish bar there. I'll cover. Well, I'm not at plus 300, but I'm not at down 300, right? See, there's always a bright side. Okay, I'm gonna put up the three-way charts here and bring the Asian sessions into focus, because it looks like we might be heading for those lows. Wow. Yeah, once again, you see, that's why I don't like to form a bias. It's a guess, and once again, I was wrong. I was thinking we're bullish. Everything was bullish. All the overnight longs, I guess, didn't continue to get paid, and they bailed. I think we're trading right at, yeah, we got up to the level where these triple bottom over here on the Renko formed. We got right up to it. Wow, I was gonna say, I don't know if you guys noticed, but NQ froze again. NQ froze, I'm getting out of my trade. Asia lows 105, we're not far away. Wood chip. Wood chip's in the zone again. Damn, I would have held on to that for some more, if not for the stupid freeze. Did we touch it? Oh, so close. Oh, so close. Well, we're coming up to 10 o'clock, and the reversal time is between 9:50 and 10:10, in my opinion, so this could definitely be the catalyst for the reversal. Oh, imagine we trade lower and we hold below that too. Woo! Woo! Be patient. For what? Where are we going? Next level, 947. That I have marked off. Let's keep it in perspective though. Does it really look that terrible when you look at this chart, the daily? What I am saying about the daily is that we're having a small little pause here, so if the sellers are going to get aggressive, we could see acceleration down, acceleration to the downside again. 50-50 still looking to go short. And this was a big down move that I missed. I hope Al caught it. I hope Al caught it, and I hope he's dancing. Yeah, I got 37 on the 1 minute chart. That's great for continuation. Gene Hackman died? I didn't hear. I like Gene Hackman. He was funny. Gene Hackman and Richard Pryor. That was a long time ago. They used to do movies together, if I'm not mistaken. Alex made 600 on his challenge. He just sent me a little update. No foul play expected, but actually he and his wife and dog all found dead in the... No way! Well, that sounds like foul play. No foul play expected. Well, foul play, I thought you were making a... just a joke. I read the bottom one first. Because, yeah, I think him and Richard Pryor made a movie called Foul Play. But no, I mean, him, his wife, and his dog. I think there was foul play. Oof, Alex is texting the hell out of me. Let's read Alex's texts. He lost 200 on Bulenox. He closed it. I couldn't catch the big runners in the beginning. It was too fast. But then I got 600 on my challenge. Okay, cool. Cool. Yes, it's fast. It's dangerous. I'm getting out very quickly when I enter a trade because I'm worried that it'll reverse on me very fast. You got to be quick on the mouse. It sounds weird to me. It sounds weird to me too. Well, was that a pun? A play on words when you wrote no foul play expected? Wow, 95. Yeah, that's possible. Oh, yeah, okay, yeah, 95, yeah. I could see that happening, definitely. I double-clicked by accident. Sorry, guys, that was an accident. I gotta get out of the trade. I hate this stupid... I gotta change this mouse. Just way too many accidental double clicks. It's too easy to double click on this mouse. I'll go in for a 2-lot because I should be short. Maybe we can catch a nice little dump. 40 40-point move. There we go. Look at that. Whoo, the selling is aggressive. What's the spread? $1. Wow, whoever's aggressive is going to kill it. We're coming up to that level that I have marked off. Let me put it on the daily chart. Look at that. Let me open it up. This level right here. Kind of touched it here also, just a little bit. Kind of touched it here. This level acted as resistance a couple times. The 20,930 level approx, but I don't know if anything is strong enough to stop the markets today. Whoa, 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 whoa. That was a weird... Okay, well that's 500. I want to show you guys a picture. Give me a second, I'll get it up. I printed it up. It is this one here. What's the screen are you on? One chart. Oh, you're not going to see all of it. I hate that. It's a good thing to keep in mind, though. Here, let me see if you can pretty... don't do that. Don't do that. Windows, thank you. Can you leave me alone? Can you let me put it where I want to put it? There we go. Oh, let me move it over a little bit. You should take a screenshot of that and keep it... This is also going to keep me grounded. Look at those numbers. 200 a day is 1,000 per week. It's 52,000 per year. So I'm up 500 on my PA. 400 is 104,000. 600 is 150,000. So just like, it's just to let me, like, you know, right now I would want to push it more. Come on, come on, come on. But, you know, I'll look at this and I'll say, hey, 500 per day. That equates to 125,000 per year. So I'm at a good level. I should be happy with it. Just stay consistent. I'm going to make a video on that also. ATR 39. 45 for me. But you may be using... You may be using a different period than me. I use 6. It's a very short-term period. I'm up 421 on the 50K, and that was mostly London. Excellent job. It doesn't matter where it comes from. London is good. Asia's good. 6 o'clock is good. It's all good. Well, I thought for price, but it didn't pay for me, so I think I'll just get out of this trade. I'm long. Good morning, team. 22. Just popping in to say hello. Hello, 22. How are you doing? Are you green? There's been some really good follow through. If you can, do me a favor. I'm only asking now in the beginning because I need a little bit of help. Besides smashing the like button, could you click and view my videos a little bit, just so YouTube takes me out of that damn dungeon. They're not serving it up to anybody. I never seen an account with shackles on it as bad as mine. Even prop junkies didn't have this for some reason. Anyways, if you can, I'd appreciate it. And click the like button, maybe post a comment also. Make it, put some activity on those. So, accounts are healthy. Passed 2 evals yesterday. Both accounts are, wow, nice job, man. Yeah, aggressive traders are going to kill it today. I'm okay. I got 522 on my PA account, and I'm running 2 automated strategies that you can see in the results box there. Sim 101 takes 1 trade per day at a 10 lot or 1 mini, and it lost today. It's the opening drive play. That's what I have those videos on, some of them. And Sim 102 is another EA called 50/50. It had 1 winner and 2 losers. But 500 a day, I'm happy with 500 a day. In 10 days, that's $5,000. If I can keep at that pace, sorry. Still being bothered by my cough. No continuation on that one. That sucked. I was hoping to see a nice move up on that. Well, today's going to be a day to make money all day long. Yes, it has. Very annoying. Today it's actually better. I didn't use my puffer. I got a trusty puffer here that the doctor gave me, but today I didn't use it. The past few days this week I had to. I almost couldn't talk without coughing. Now I'm just getting it every now and then, so. Okay, looking for a short. Well, that trade cost me big time. That was 21 points in the wrong direction. They will lose money all day long. Well, if you want to talk about a 10 o'clock reversal, bring right at 10 o'clock. How's that, eh? That's a very strong play. I think it's as strong as, if not stronger than, the initial balance play. I'm curious for a 3-lot. If we're going to see some selling here now. I got 60 off that. With the 25 trailing, it's hard to lose. Break even, yes, but chance of profit is going well so far. Woodchip, when you talk about ATR, I remember you told me the first time you were looking at the 5-minute charts. Are you still looking at the 5-minute charts, or you're looking at the 1-minute charts? 50-50 is going to go short if this candle can close above the midline. I should make the midline a little thicker. 50-50 did not go short. That's odd. Oh, I'm on the wrong chart. That's why 50-50 probably did go short. There we go. Let me make the midline a little bit darker. Let's just make it a 2. A width of 2. There we go. Easier to see. So 50-50 short. Wow, that was a big one again. I thought someone was texting me like nuts. Oh, we have a long trade. Where am I entering long here? At the previous day's low. We just got a little bit above it. That unfortunately can act as resistance, and it did. Over the next couple of days, Mike, I will tap into your vids and likely have a comment just so doesn't see a quick hit from one sub. Thank you, 22. I appreciate it because it's damn discouraging. I mean, I've never seen a channel do so poorly. Seriously. I think maybe my content isn't all glitzy and glossy, but it's on par with what's out there. And yeah, nothing. It's not like oh wait, I got a long trade here again at previous day's low. Let me just get a small piece out, because I'm not a big fan of trading at these levels. I get hurt. Yeah, you know what? Even take another piece out and just let it ride like this and see what happens. Anyways, thank you. 20. Thank you to. Sorry. 222. That went in my mind. I used to take 222s when I was a kid for migraines. That was acetaminophen with codeine. It's something to do in 15 minutes open, so I don't place dumb trades. I actually love the first 15 minutes. Oh no, it's gonna go long again, but now we are above. This could be the run now, so I'm gonna take this one. No! Shit, damn. Extra clicks. Get out. Green, get out. I just want to be long 4. And it didn't run like crazy, so get out of 2. I'm happy over 600. And it's going to stop me out. I'm going to hit close even yet. Stop me out. 589. I don't know why it flashes that weird number. 539 and 589. It makes this weird adjustment. I need a black candle. I need a woman that won't drive me crazy. It's going to try again to go long. So going to keep keep giving me misery. Serious, eh? Wow. Getting chopped with my Renkos here. Trading the blue Renkos. Didn't get the continuation, the follow through that I'm looking for. Hey, here's that song you like. What, Chip? Oh, it's true. Wait. Oh no, I'll be back. I wonder if you said that. Ah, I lost my entry. Did you say that because of the song? I closed it. If you said it because of the song, I closed it. You can come back. But did you say that because of the song? Okay. I'll take it out for you. I'll go do a quick edit. I'll make a note so you don't have to run away. Remove 2 hearts, beat as 1. 2 hearts, beat as 1. Actually, what does he say? 2 hearts what? Oh, running dry? Is that what he says? I don't think he says running dry. Running separately? I don't know. They're running somewhere. The 2 hearts are running. Where they're going, we don't know. Okay, let's get back to trading. Let's get rid of the Renkos. Let's take a look at the... Shit. Well, not too bad. So 665, no continuation. Let's find out. I'm fighting a consolidation here. Okay. Yep. I was just telling on myself. That was me losing control again. And today's punishment is no more trading. Yeah, no adding. You see? I just, wow, it's too bad I wasn't holding it though, eh? But anyways, no, it's not too bad. I'm done. I am talking for the rest of the day, not touching my mouse. I should even unplug it. Can't allow that to happen. Oh my God. 50-50's not doing too well today. Let's go check in on Crude. Crude, did it get stopped out? It looks like it did, yes. Boom, 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 boom. Hit the zero line. Stopped out. Okay. One down. Let's watch for the next trade. Let's go back and watch. Wow, again. What was the opening drive? Again, it got wicked into a stupid long. Look, if it wouldn't have... If it wouldn't have taken that trade, kablooey, would have caught a, holy shit, a 400-point move. It's like 3 times already that's happened. And it's not long. It's like it goes above for a few seconds and then it comes back down. Anyways, it is what it is. Eh? You can't change things. Are not well, I suppose. As now, how did we do today? Well, I'm in the penalty box. I'm not trading anymore today because I just did a stupid. So I'm just going to sit here, talk a little bit, maybe till 11 o'clock, watch. I'm up on my PA, 664, and my automated strategies are getting hurt today. And that's it. 50-50 day for me. $1,500 payout. Wow, nice. Good job, good job. Hey, I wanted to ask you a question. Only Futures. When you posted your first videos, sorry. Yeah, I only traded one PA, up 664 in it. But I did something very stupid at the previous day's lows that wood chip saw, that only wood chip witnessed maybe. Over here, I have a sign that says you have no more do-overs, no adding, no chasing, no FOMO. I read it to you in the beginning, and I went bananas and added like 3-4 times at a very dangerous spot. Anyways, I got out of them. I didn't get hurt, but I broke my rule. I'm done for the day. No more 10-minute timeout. Yeah, I mean, in that respect, I would have been happier if I didn't break my rule. So I used to give myself a 10-minute timeout. Now it's the day. The day. I got to teach myself. I got to have consequences. Okay, yeah, what I wanted to ask you, when you posted your first videos, like video number 1, video number 2, video number 3, your first ones, did they get completely snubbed by YouTube? Did you get like 0 hits on them? Because my first 3 videos are getting like almost nothing. It's like it's not being shown to anybody. Yeah, no, today is a day to hammer. There's excellent continuation. No, full day. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's nothing. It's crazy. I'm super frustrated. Like I'm saying, I haven't seen anyone on YouTube being skunked the way. Hey, let me ask you a question also. Only futures. Hold on. Let me get it. I'm going to be doing a video on Bulenox. I created a thumbnail. You're going to laugh. I hope. That's similar to the... Hold on. I'm laughing and coughing at the same time. I created a thumbnail that's similar to the one you have about Tradeify. Normally, if I'm doing something like that from somebody else, I wouldn't. Oh, stay there, you goddamn window. Stop moving my shit around. Am I on the right screen? One chart. I don't even know which one I was on there. That one. So it's going to be on Bulenox. You had Tradeify, everything you need to know in 5 minutes. I liked it, but this one's going to be on Bulenox. You mind if I use that thumbnail? Or, I mean, if it bothers you, no problem. I'll just create something else. I changed the color scheme. But don't be shy. You can write now that you'd prefer I do something else. I don't mind. It's not that long to make a thumbnail. Actually, I have some really good thumbnail resources if you want to know about them. Insane. Yeah. Well, there's what I was going to say is there's something called pixel or pixel. Hold on, wood chip. I think everything should be the biggest word along with in 5 minutes. Everything should be the biggest word. I'm not sure what that means. Maybe you mean it should all be the same size, the font. It pops more in a sentence if you say everything in 5 minutes. What did I write? Everything in 5 minutes you need to know. No, that wouldn't. Everything in no, doesn't make sense for me grammatically. Everything in 5 minutes you need to know. People will recognize Sam Thompson. Will check it out. Yeah, James was telling me about that, what the brain does and what it catches. And marketing is not my forte. But yeah, there's I got a prompt off a video. It's a very long prompt actually, but you put it into either ChatGPT or Claude.ai. You put in the prompt, and it asks it to analyze a thumbnail or a picture and create a detailed description. So that's what I did. I put it in, and then it says, okay, give me the picture. I gave it your thumbnail, and that's what it spits out. So I didn't even have to work. It created the whole thumbnail for me. Well, I would be short now. I got a short signal. Let's see how that one would work out. At 21,091. Everything you need to know in 5 minutes. Everything you need to know in 5 minutes. Isn't that what I wrote? Oh, in under 5 minutes. Yeah, I don't even know if I'll be able to make it in under 5 minutes because I have 13 points to go through. I'm going to have to talk really fast or record it and then play it at a fast speed. Hey, don't blame me. It's only Future's fault because he put that in his thumbnail. I like it though because I think people don't like long videos. At least I never liked long videos. Let's see. This should be going long if it closes below 5 seconds. If we close below, 50-50 should go long, and it does. There we go. Okay. So 50-50 is working well. I mean, not making money today, but working well. Here is my Bulenox title, Bulenox prop firm review to everything you need to know in under 5 minutes. Yeah, no, I'm not doing a prop firm review actually. It's going to be on the rules for the master account. Actually, that's what it's about. I did it because Alex has one, and also, and I guess it was time to know all the rules, so I printed out the contract and I read all the rules. I made bullet points, and then I said, you know what? Let me make. No one knows the rules for their master accounts and their PA accounts. No one pays attention, really. Not no one, but most people don't. They just start trading it, and they hope that they're staying within the rules. In 5 minis. That's funny. I like that. Ah, okay. I can't. It's already done. Yeah, maybe I'll re-enter the prompt. I'll do yeah, no, you're right. I like the 2025. I'll have to think of something. Okay, sounds good. Good advice. And thanks for letting me know that I'm going to get skunked in the beginning because, well, I was furious. You know, at least on TikTok, they send you 100, 200 people for every little video you make. You know, they have hundreds of millions of people. They can throw a bone of 40 views to new content creators. I don't think that's too much to ask. Wow, look at 50-50, eh? Just getting waxed. Okay, take care. Enjoy your supper. Everything you don't want to know. I can do everything I don't want to know in under 5 minutes. $5.25. I'm very. That's excellent. $5.25. See ya. See ya. Thanks for showing up. Good job, Wood Chip. I mean, you're killing it. Shit. You almost make me want to trade some more, but no. No. Wow, look how far away we were from the Asian session lows. At least I thought so when the markets opened. Asian session lows at this point when the markets were opening on the NQ 5-minute chart. I went back a little bit to say, oh my God, there's no way we're trading there. And then unbelievable, eh? That's insane. If only we can have tomorrow's charts today, huh? Wouldn't that make our jobs easier? Hold on. Got a cough again. I'm back. Okay, you can send it by email or you want to do a screen share later. When I close down, we can do a screen share in that channel. No way. Tabernouche. Hey, you're on fire over there. Wow. Very impressive. 37.75 ATR on the 1-minute charts. Alex, yeah, he was up 2K at one point. He ended up 1.6. Yeah, low resistance, of course. That's why I love when we get above the previous day's high or below the previous day's low. Because for me, that's a low resistance state. I like that term. I'm going to use it. Hmm. When you say the day ahead of major news, you mean the day before or the day after? I think you mean the day before, eh? Yeah, the day before. I want to trade. But isn't that what a good punishment is? When you want something and you can't have it, and you're sitting in the corner crying, like when you were a child. I want to go to the zoo too. Sorry, Timmy, the bus left. Yeah, I remember. You said 15 minutes. Boom, 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 boom. Wow, hard not to trade this. Hard not to trade. Just look. Look and suffer, Mikey. I'm hands-free. Look at the run up at the wick. Yeah, but you know me, I trade differently. But let's put up the Renkos. The Renkos are they're not so good here actually. It's a 4, a 1, a 2, a 4, a 3. And we got a nice run here, and here's a 3. Much better on topstep though. Topstep didn't have this chop. Topstep had this as a 5, a 1, and a 5. So 2 nice trades. So you would have seen, yeah, let me see. So it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You'd wait to get in again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That 5 is 35, 40 points, 35 points. And a 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Much cleaner on topstep. That's why I use the topstep charts. These Renkos are bigger than topstep, and yet somehow they show more chop. Maybe I'll bring it to 32. I'll raise it just a little bit, see if I can clean it up a little bit. Make it 1 point more. That's as far as I'll go, though. I won't go beyond 8. Yeah, you see? This is kind of what it looks like on topstep, but topstep is at 7. This is at 8. And then if I make it at 8, this doesn't catch the long. You were still short. Oh, no, no. Topstep was short, too. I thought topstep was long for this. No, no. Topstep was short also. Yeah, it's not exact. I mean, I look at the two of them, but I follow topstep. Topstep is long now, and this one is long now, so. Anyways, it's a different way of trading. But I like it because it gets you in a lot of trades in the day. And it's mathematically correct. I got to update my numbers. How we doing here? The last one was a long. It was a loser. Short, loser, long, loser. We didn't close, so now we're waiting to trade. Not me. 50-50. Well, 50-50 usually has decent days. It was a very bad day for 50-50 today. Okay, so I don't know, 10:45. I'm not trading anymore. Do I dare look at my balance? I'm gonna look. Hey! Very good. $150,053. This one was in drawdown by about $1,000. It was at 149.48. 149,149,048. I remember I was discouraged. And yesterday, I think I had a $300 or $400 day. I don't remember. And plus today, 664. Got me back over. Okay, I'll just keep chugging along. Days like this. If I do that, by the end of March, I'm at 160,000. Right? Right. I agree. Okay, very good. Closing down the stream. I'll go open up the channel there. Actually, let me go open it up now. Get you in there first. Hello, hello. Okay, that's working. One more test. Is the audio working? Very good, very good. Ready to close down YouTube. Okay, wood chip. I'm going to type it in just in case you're not here. So you'll see the message. There you go. I hope you catch it, wood chip. I'll be in the room. I'll wait. I'll stick around 5-10 minutes. Hopefully you'll show up. And if not, then I'll see everyone tomorrow. Thanks for showing up. I appreciate it. Click the like, click the subscribe if you're new. And check out my videos on the opening drive. It does well, actually, when I create the explainer video on the rules and the chart setup. I'll put in the results. I wasn't planning on putting in the results for December and February. We'll see how this week does. This week so far, it's still ahead, even though it had 2 really bad days. But we'll see how this week goes, because I do want you guys to do the work yourselves rather than me spoon feed you the results, because when you're spoon fed results, you don't really know if you should believe them or not. Okay, that's it. Thanks for showing up, and I'll see you tomorrow.